Look at this. It's reflecting really well. When you go out like this, the cars will see you from very far away and you won't get hit by the car. Very good vest. 3M, good quality. You can see the reflection from the camera small screen and it's like almost no light at all and you can still see this. Then you put on the side. You cannot see my face, but you can see the vest. 3M Scotchlite reflective vest. Highly recommended. 3M is the good company. Thank you for watching and subscribe and watch more videos over here. Thank you.